you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. And if you are new and that subscribe button is still red, I would absolutely love if you considered clicking it and joining my YouTube family. This video has been highly requested on how I get my hard water stains removed off my shower door without having to use any elbow grease at all. I only use 3 products, but make sure that you warm up that vinegar for at least a minute because that is one of the key ingredients. So sit back and I hope you enjoy this video and this little cleaning hack, and please don't forget to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Can't wait to talk to you guys down in the comments.
You make me lose my mind like all the time, it still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night, it still feels right. Even the worst can sting, I wanna change a thing, cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time, it still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the 2nd floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time, it still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night, it still feels right. Even the worst can sting, I wanna change a thing, cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time, it still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right, still feels right, still feels right. Still feels right, still feels right, still feels right. Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about ya. You make me lose my mind like all the time, it still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night, it still feels right. Even the worst can sting, I wanna change a thing, cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time, it still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right, still feels right, still feels right. Still feels right, still feels right, still feels right. Oh yeah. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside
watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me.
And just like that, there are absolutely no hard water stains left. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you do try this cleaning hack, I would absolutely love if you tag me over on Instagram so I can see how it worked for you. Bye, guys.